Welcome to ePMX Punchout feature. This is a great feature to use for those online vendors that you're always shopping with. So you could do this at the requisition level, or you could create a PO. Both would be done the same way. So instead of coming down here and filling your line items out, you're just going to come into your vendor selection here and choose that punch out. And it'll give you a punch out feature icon here. You'll simply click onto that and it'll redirect you to your specific account with that online vendor. Once onto your vendor's website, now you're just going to shop as you normally would. Put all the items that you want to request or put on a PO into your shopping cart. So I'm going to add an item here. That'll go into my cart. And then once I have all the items that I want to request on a requisition or all the items that I want to on a PO, I simply have my cart subtotal here and I submit these items out for approval. What it's doing is it's taking all of your items in your shopping cart and transfer them back into Bellwether and creating all your line items down here. Now you still have the ability to track any GL codes that you might have for them, any special projects maybe that you have, and even any job codes. You can also put any instructions on this, as well as any internal notes, any attachments that you might want your approver to see, and then you can simply review that request before you send it on. So I can simply save this and send it on to the approver and then place the order, or I can just create the PO and place the order right now. And that concludes our punch out feature.